Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set auto call recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to this call button and click on these three vertical dots. Click on settings there and click on record calls and turn on the button against auto record calls. Click on confirm. So all calls will be recorded. If you click over auto record calls, you will have three options. First option is all calls, so all incoming and outgoing calls will be recorded. Second option is calls with unsaved numbers, so any unknown numbers who make calls to you, that recording, that conversation will be saved. Calls with specified numbers, you can choose some particular contacts. Those contacts will have only call recording. So if you choose third one, you have to click on numbers to auto record, and here you can add number. You can type number here, otherwise you can select from the contacts itself. So here I would like to select Armugachami, Balamurugan, Daniel, Karuvadu, etc. So in this way you can select some particular contacts only. Those contacts will have the auto call record. If you select first option all calls, irrespective of saved numbers, you can record all calls, all incoming and outgoing calls, whether it is in your contacts or not. You can just record all calls. So I have selected all calls for the demo purpose and see how it works. Now I would like to make a call from another number. I am making a call from another number and call is coming and I attend this call. Hello, call recording, checking. Thank you. Here see, recording is going on. So call is recorded and I would like to cut it. I cut the call. Now to see the recorded call, go to call button. Again click on these three vertical dots, click on settings and click on record calls and click on recorded calls. You will see call recorded here. This is the recorded file. It is stored in internal storage, recordings and call. Just play. So what I speak in recording, during recording, that is showing now. You can also access the file through internal storage. Go to my files, go to Samsung and click on my files, and then you have to go to internal storage, then internal storage, DCIM, no, pictures, select all here, internal storage, DCIM, recordings, call, and you will locate, you can easily locate the recorded file. So in this way you can easily set call recording and that can be recorded. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.